Hey everyone, this is Danye with DannyPhillips.com, and in today's Healthy Disney video, we are going to cover Skipper Canteen in Disney's Magic Kingdom.
We're invincible.
Alright, welcome back to the channel everyone. I know a lot of you are struggling to find healthy lunch options in Magic Kingdom. Skipper Canteen is located again in Adventureland. So if you are leaving Main Street and you kind of veer to the left, it's one of the first lands that you can come into. So it'll be across from the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, and it'll be right before Aladdin's Magic Carpet Ride. Well, it's like the Jungle Cruise, so it's a lot of fun. If you've been on the Jungle Cruise ride before, it's a lot of jokes, a lot of sarcasm. So the food is African themed, and it definitely has some Asian and South American inspiration as well. This restaurant is a table service meal. It comes with a drink, an entree, and a dessert, and that drink can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. If you are trying to be healthy, then all of the restaurants do offer the option of switching out your dessert for like a super salad. I wish that you could substitute your drinks because I don't want soda and I don't want alcoholic beverage most of the time. I would rather keep the dessert. Some of the restaurants will do that for you, so you definitely have to ask. Here you can choose the jungle green salad or the lost and found soup. So this salad is like a wedge salad. It has shishito peppers, which were actually really spicy in there, some radish, some hearts of palm, cucumbers, pistachios, and then an ahi pepper yogurt dressing. So it was really light and airy. Any of the meals here, you can add an additional side of protein, whether it's chicken or tofu or steak or fish, whatever it might be. They have a ton of options. And those extra sides of protein will range anywhere from about $5 or $6 to $9, just depending on how expensive that particular protein is. Somebody in our group chose the Falls Family Falafel. This person was not on the Disney dining plan, so she chose an appetizer as her entree. This was fantastic. It was a beautiful dish, so even though it was an appetizer, it would definitely be a good entree size. And it had chickpeas, garlic, onions, lemon juice, herbs, and edamame hummus and toasted pumpkin seeds. And edamame, if y'all don't know, is a really high fiber, high protein bean or legume, and it's awesome. Moving on to some different entree options. You have entree options out the wazoo, and there's pictures of everything on the menu, which I chose the Perkins Thai noodles, which they told me was the spiciest item on the menu. This particular meal had about 3 ounces of chicken in it, and this was like a grilled or pan-seared chicken, and then 3 ounces of tofu, and that was a firm silken tofu. Now, I will say there is a ridiculous amount of veggies and noodles in this dish. There were more than 12 ounces of noodles in this dish. And those are like those linguine rice noodles. Very, very good, but if you can eat all of those noodles, probably 150 grams of carbs just in those noodles. And then you can definitely ask for additional protein for that $6 to $9 range, depending on which type of protein source you want. Somebody in our group tried Dr. Fall's signature grilled steak, which was a marinated New York strip with pico de gallo butter, and also comes with rice and black beans with bacon. It's a very strong bacon flavor, so if you don't like bacon, you're not going to like those black beans. I would definitely recommend the vegetable so that you can get some more fibrous carbs that are a little bit more nutrient dense. The hearty hard char soup pork, but there's plenty of protein on that plate. I would ask for half the amount of rice and a little bit of extra vegetable. Our 4-year-old in the group, she had mac and cheese with green beans and carrots. Honestly, it looks really good to me, and if your little ones don't want to eat those veggies, then grab them or yourself. We cannot forget dessert, and our table of 4 adults lit the kungaloosh. That's such an awesome name. This is an African-inspired chocolate cake with caramelized bananas and cashew caramel ice cream topped with coffee dust. The portion was really great to split between like 3 or 4 people if we all wanted 1 to 2 bites. There's no reason you all need the entire dessert, even though it might come with your meal. And then the kids' dessert was fruit in the shape of Mickey Mouse. You have that option too if you want the fruit cup instead of a dessert. So overall, definitely plenty of options here that are healthy or more nutrient dense and fresh. Thanks so much for joining me in this Healthy Disney video. And if you've eaten here before at the Skipper Canteen, let us know in the comment section what you recommend for healthy options or substitutions. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and consider subscribing subscribing if you want to be the first to know about more healthy Disney meals and travel tips. As always, my name is Danye, and I am your resource for fitness, food, and travel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!